Okay, there's another variation that I really like, and that's color. So you can actually also vary the color by a criteria. So let's see how to do that. In Seaborn, they call it the hue, okay? Like what's the shade? And once again, this is another parameter. And so we can pick something. And so what do we want the coloring to indicate? Meaning that it's going to show us different colors for different what? Well, we've got to pick something. I don't know, let's try the age. Again, there's not a right or wrong. You just have something fun with it. And then we'll use their default color and see what we get here. And so what we're doing here, and I'm actually going to copy this into a new coding cell. That way we can preserve the original image above. And what it's going to do is going to vary the color by this new column. So it's an additional parameter. So let's run the code. We will see what we get. And this is pretty interesting. So what it's showing here is that younger, I think, it looks like this is a pinkish kind of color, and that older is grayer. Okay, so that's not bad. I mean, it's cool, right? But you can actually change the color palette. And the way you do that is you hit palette. We'll look up some of the color palettes. And I can tell you that if you want something like, you can pick a color like blues, plural. Okay. And now look at what happens. So again, we're changing the palette to blues. Now you can see it varies by blues. And so now it's got like the bluer it is, actually the older it is. Okay. And you can reverse that if you like by putting in the an underscore R. Okay. And it'll show you the reverse setup. So now sort of younger is bluer and older is whiter. Okay. And you can try like different colors like that, using their names, right? So if you wanted to try something like, I'm not sure what housing, if you want to try like browns, plural, a lot of housings are brown. Well, there's no browns. That's what we're seeing there. So you could try something like purples. And you can see you get that image.